Morning everybody, it's Jerry at M7 Speed in Mooresville, North Carolina. Hey, we just want to show you the end result of our 2022 F60 Countryman build. Brand new car, still got the sticker on the window. It's got 48 miles on it now. So we installed our 2.5-inch lift kit for this car. The customer also wanted us to mount tires, so we put a set of Toyo Open Country AT3 225 55 18s. They got really nice tread, you can see here. Nice open tread, they ride good, they're quiet, good tire, we use a lot of them. We also installed an extended roof rack. This is the one we used on a few other builds that we've shown you. So anyways, here's the car complete. Looks good, JCW. This car's got 301 horsepower. In sport mode, it goes really good. It's a pretty quick car for as heavy as it is. So we just want to show you the end result here. Looks pretty cool. Definitely going to be a unique vehicle. So if you guys want to lift your Mini, have something unique. I know it sounds weird, but lifting Minis, they look really cool. You'll get a lot of compliments and a lot of questions. So check it out. M7 Speed. That's all we do is Minis all day, every day. Give us a shout or check out our website, m7tuning.com.